76,000 this month. The bear market is definitively over.
What Tom Lee is talking about is we have 3 green monthly candles in a row right now, but there's one catch. May has not closed yet. It's only the 7th of May. So we have 23 days left for it to close. And if it closes red, then his whole theory is off. And so there's a long ways to go for it to close red. But yes, if it does close, or there's a long ways to go if it closes green. And if it does close green, that would be something different than Bitcoin is doing from its whole history. It's never had 3 green candles in a row in a bear market. It only happens in a bull market when it comes to monthly green candles. However, though, the past does not predict the future. The future rhymes with the past, which means it could be different and still continue into a bear market, even if there's 3 green candles. It doesn't mean that it automatically goes into a bull market. There's other confluence that needs to happen. And so you have to be very careful with what you hear from people. It could be very misleading. And so it's important to use critical thinking and your own observations to make your own decision and do your own research. Also, you can see that there's been 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 red candles, and I've counted it myself. Most bear markets have 10 red candles in the bear market for Bitcoin for monthly candles, and so far we've only had 5. And usually, what I've counted in the past for bear markets is that they would have about 3 green candles and 10 red candles. As of right now, this is the current price. It's 79,642, and that's about 4% from where it needs to go to about 76,000. I put that red line in there so you can see, yeah, it's about 75,970 just about. If the price closes at that number or below, or a little bit above it, that would be a red candle, which blows this whole theory out of the water with 3 green monthly candles. And that's about a 4% drop. Just about $3,600 Bitcoin moving. That could happen in a couple days, and it's only May 7th right now. So let's look at the past so we can see what's going on in the past. This right here is the last bear market for Bitcoin, and you could count starting right here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 red candles, and it had 1, 2 in a row, and then 3, 4 green candles. So about 14 months for that bear market. And this is our current one right now. We only have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 red candles. And so, and that's a lot of red candles in a row. That doesn't normally happen. So to have 3 green candles in a row wouldn't be that far off, having that many red candles in a row. Looking back even farther to another bear market, you can see there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 red candles in this bear market, and there's 3 green candles. So what if this happens? What if we do get 3 green candles in a row, and then it's followed by another 5 red candles? That would match this bear market. The only thing that wouldn't match is that they would be in a row, not every other one like this one. So here's the bear market of 2014, 2015, and you can see right here we have those red candles, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And the 10th one is this one right here. And that brought it right down to the bottom. and there was 1, 2, 3, 4 green candles. So, I mean, that's from the perspective that this, if we go by the past, we still got some time to go, until we hit the bottom. Let's see what else Tom Lee has to say.
Bear market if Bitcoin closes up 3 consecutive months. So since the inception of Bitcoin, being up 2 months in a row could happen in a bear market. For instance, that happened in 2022. But you've never had 3 consecutive months. And let's be clear.
By the way, this video is from Altcoin Daily. And so Tom Lee has been wrong before. 2025, he predicted Bitcoin to go to 150,000 to 200,000, Ethereum to go to 7,000. Both of them were wrong. And so he has been wrong in the past. And it's important not to be caught off guard, do your own research. Last year, I was caught off guard and I lost a lot of money. I was in Ethereum, hoping that it would go to 7,000. I kept on holding it and it went all the way down to 1,500. And I got completely wrecked and I got misled. So all I'm saying is be critical thinking, use your brain, do your own research. And this is not financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor at all. I'm just a guy that likes to comment on videos and make you aware that, these people can be wrong. So do your own research, and hopefully the information I gave you did help you out. And have a good rest of the day. Thanks for checking out Clear Decisions, and make some clear decisions and be well.